Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can apply the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Because I want to cancel about the square root, we need to have the power 2 in here. This one just like a minus b. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. And this one we do similar. Now, if we simplify, we have like this. Because we have the power 2, so we have x plus 4. This one we have 1 square. Similar for this one. This one we have negative number 3. This one we have, positive number 3. This one we have positive number 6. Now, we can do about factorization by number 2. And now we can simplify x plus 3 on numerator and denominator. Now I will put negative number 3 in here and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one. That is about 1/2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.